The GM concern signs secret agreements with some buyers of the Cadillac Lyriq electric crossover. According to the Detroit Free Press, according to such a document, the owner of the crossover undertakes to discuss the intricacies of the car's operation with no one, except the manufacturer. The publication's sources claim that the contract with the manufacturer prohibits, among other things, disseminating information about discovered and potential faults, malfunctions or design miscalculations. Also, as part of this agreement, the Lyriq owner agrees to provide the manufacturer with access to real-time data about his vehicle. The company is supposed to be able to track technical details, say, daily mileage, driving style, and more. Instead, for these two agreements, the car buyer is given a discount on the purchase in the amount of $5.5 thousand. According to Cadillac's official website, Lyriq prices in the US start at $62,990. The company confirmed to the publication the existence of such an agreement, but noted that they sign it only with selected customers. There were no more than 24 of them, and the data collection itself has exclusively practical purposes. The collected massive information will be processed, analyzed, and applied to improve both the electric cars themselves and the quality of service for their owners. According to representatives of the brand, the first battery-powered crossover and the impressions of its owners are critical for Cadillac in light of the planned transition to electric power by 2030. Companies also say that using real customer experience for analysis is more effective than studying data obtained through employees of dealerships.